I'm back with another song. I am going to be singing Payphone by Maroon 5. And. I'm not going to be saying I hope you guys enjoy it like I usually do, because that's so YouTube, that's so mainstream. So I'm going to be saying I hope I do this well. And I hope you guys, I'm not going to say I hope you guys enjoy it. Please do stay at the end of the video, because I have important announcements. Sort of, kind of, not so important, but you can stay if you want. Okay. Yum, yum. I've been retaking this video for 3 different songs. Finally, I just went back to my payphone. My face is so distracting in video. I keep looking at it. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I said it. I'm not gonna retake a video. I'm too tired. Okay, and here it goes. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where the times go, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for 2? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for 2? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more super love song, I'll be safe. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Can't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. Now that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for 2? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more super love song, I'll be safe. I'm at a payphone trying to go home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for 2? If happy ever after did exist, I would still still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm at a payphone. Whew. Okay, so that was my best try. I think. Okay, so I've been planning on doing my videos routinely, as in weekly, because I do not like disappearing for some period of time and reappearing suddenly. And yeah, that's one of it. Second of all, I would really love suggestions. Really love suggestions. You guys can leave your comments, your suggestions, all in the comment box down there. You guys can vote on the song if you want to. And if you're tired of listening to me on YouTube, then just tell me. I do not mind at all. I'm just glad that I finally did a video after so long. And this happens to be my first video of 2012. A singing video. Oh my gosh! If you want to see me try something else, mention away. Okay, yeah. There are a few things that I want to say, but I kind of forgot. So, sorry. And I'm so speechless in this video. Okay. That's all. I just wasted a time thing. I love you. Bye. Till next time. Bye.